Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar. In this video, we are going to discussing civics from class 7 chapter 3, which is how the state government work. In this chapter, today our topic is a debate in the legislative assembly. Dear children, you know very well legislative assembly. The legislative assembly is a building situated in the capital of the state where all the MLAs from ruling and opposition parties meet and to discuss different issues. During debate time in the assembly, MLAs can express their opinions and ask questions related to the issue. The ministers then replies to the questions. The chief minister and other ministers have to take decisions and run the government. Okay, so dear children, in the legislative assembly, in the legislative assembly have a two types of MLA. Number one is ruling party MLAs, and number two is opposition party MLA. Getting? So all the MLAs who gathered together in the legislative assembly are called legislature. Now, in book have given some examples related to debate in the legislature assembly. Now, again I am repeating here, in the legislative assembly, opposition party who ask question and ruling party ministers who give reply to the questions. So, first MLA ask question to ruling party. In my constituency of Akhandgaon, there were 15 people death due to diarrhea. 15 people death due to diarrhea. I would like to call health minister to control the situation because it is a shame that this government has not been able to check simple problem. Now, second MLA asks question, why are government hospital in such a bad condition, bad situation? Why government not appointing doctors and other medical staff? Okay, now third MLA asks question related to serious shortage water. Actually, he belongs to Tolpatti constituency where women travel 3 to 4 kilometer to collect water. Now the question is, how many tankers have been put into service to supply water? Okay, now next is fourth MLA. Fourth MLA minister from ruling party who give answer. The government is doing everything possible to help people. For example, water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. So, fourth MLA who give reply to opposition party. Now, next one is fifth MLA. How are we going to ensure that ORS packet distributed all families in the affected areas, because government have not appointed doctor and medical staff for the last few years. Also, we have very poor facilities in our hospitals. Now again, this is the asking question to ruling party. Okay, so, and this is the also related to healthcare, related to medical department, and asking question to health minister. Okay, now sixth question, sixth MLA. Sixth MLA from ruling party give answer. The previous government did not pay attention to sanitation. Okay, and so the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government, the ruling government. Our government which do work in full manner. So students, these are the way of discussion in the legislative assembly. Next topic, we will discuss our next day video. We will discuss our next topic, which is working of the government. Thank you.